We'd like to welcome, please, Syed Farooq Bukhari, Chair of PPMA, to come up and give an opening speech.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum, ladies, gentlemen, diplomats, distinguished guests, excellency, and dignitary. And thank you. Our industry is thankful to our chief guest, His Excellency Honorable Prime Minister Mian Shehbaz Sharif, for assuring his unwavering support for exports of Pakistan and uplifting our country by his presence. I would like to take this opportunity to thank you personally and from our pharma industry for your kind support since inception as our leader by creating a special committee addressing our impediments of pharma industry under the chair of Honorable Finance Minister Ishaq Dar Saab. And it goes without saying that you and your team, sir, has averted an economic meltdown and saved our industry. For what we appreciate and extend our support to you and your company colleagues for our full support to uplift Pakistan economies and the fabric of our society. Sir, alhamdulillah, जो इस स्टेज पे हम खड़े वो माशाल्लाह आपकी सपोर्ट की वजह से खड़े हैं. Last year, this industry was on a verge of collapse. You have saved it, and thank you very much once again, sir. Again, sir, I would like to take this opportunity in presence of our honorable chief guest, His Excellency. Although, sir, there are various repetitions for export growth in pharma sector, I would like to highlight and touch upon three most centric ones, which require urgent and mutual positive intervention and implementation only a strong will and swiftness such as yours, Your Excellency, would be able to attain. Firstly, so the economic aspect of pharmaceutical industry should be disintegrated from its regulation dimension, particularly Section 12 of our drug policy. Economic aspect, which entails exports and producing distinct products, comprehensively prices of essential drugs listed by WHO, and of course, essential drugs which are to be made available in our BHU, basic health units, and DHU, should come under drug pricing control mechanism, and the rest should be left to the market forces where it would allow healthy competition and fair price of quality drugs, and inherently will curtail shortages of drug, which has been concurrent subject of this industry in the face of adverse or force majeure cost increase or other external factors by our economy. So this is the model that led to growth of our neighboring countries, namely India and Bangladesh. So having said that, at the same time, simultaneously, while enabling DRAP to become a catalyst of growth, propelling its effort towards inspection, registration, licensing, and monitoring quality. Pricing and economic aspect creates conflict of interest in core functions of DRAP. It would be unfair to mention DRAP has been actively engaging in creating an enabling environment that fosters growth for encouraging innovation, promote R&D, and facilitate the export of high-quality medicine to international market, but of course, its economic function becomes its shackles to thrust the industry itself completely to a high-end quality export accredited facilities recognized by international accreditation authorities. But nonetheless, given these all adverse situations for us, we are proud to say that few of our companies, namely Pharma Evo, Remington Pharma, and Guess Pharma are WHO recognized now. One is MHRA, one is Canadian recognized, and two are PICS recognized. Your Excellency, if DRAP is allowed to function on its true purpose of ensuring availability of quality and essential drugs in the market, believe me, you and me, that will serve the purpose of the industry and the national interest itself. So secondly, I would like to mention here that our neighboring country had allowed and envisaged SAME and Pharma Excel was created. This sole purpose is what we are pleading right now to Your Excellency. Although on the persuasion of the pharma industry, there was a council that was created by namely Pharma Council. Sir, here I humbly request you if that could be again reactivated in your presence, sir. Moreover, sir, given it is pertinent to mention that against all odds, as you've seen, the whole export of Pakistan has probably taken a downshift. But nonetheless, we are proud to say this, that pharma export has performed 25% above year-on-year from the preceding year. Having said that, we have almost reached a 700 million mark of therapeutic goods. And today we have pledged ourselves that inshallah we will take this to a $5 billion mark. Given your personal support and the way you have supported this industry continues, and of course, the imputation that we are mentioning could be resolved as well. And moreover, sir, and again a humble request to Your Excellency, that we have listed 5 top pharma export companies, export industries, sectors. Unfortunately, pharmaceutical sector has been neglected. I would take an example of $75 million of carpet industry, which is a meager 75 million. Only one of our colleagues has almost more than $100 million export. Nonetheless, it is neglected industry. So I would like Your Excellency to, give a derivative to the authorities to actually allow us to become a priority export sector. So lastly, I would draw your attention towards the fact the pharma industry has been paying 1% in form of CRF, Central Research Fund, which has been given to Health Ministry and lateral DRAP for many years. The funds have accumulated in this account in quantifiably in billions. And we urge they should be utilized wholly and solely for the purpose of research, development, and export development by facilitation, accreditation, and form a function body with pharma industry stakeholders for the dispensation of these funds. Moreover, sir, I believe Janzeb Khan Saab is present here. We've been in touch with him. We had some good talks, discussion, deliberation on the matter. He's well aware of all the trepidation and amendments this has. So I would allow if you could give him the task to take up this matter, and we can work towards a research institute that allows not just our industry, but the general public in large get the quality medicine that they deserve. Once again, sir, I thank you for your presence. And once more, sir, again, I would like to say this, a round of applause for His Excellency, the way he has formed that committee, special committee just for us. And that committee was solely focused and given a task of saving the industry, which was actually on the verge of collapse. But nonetheless, his undying faith towards this country has helped us, allowed us, कि सर हम आज यहाँ खड़े हैं, आपकी policies और आपकी unwavering support की वजह से खड़े हैं. Once again, thank you, Excellency, and I thank Minister Saab, Mr. Malik Saab, Mr. Industry Saab, and Senior Vice Chairman Janzeb Khan Saab, Secretary Commerce, Secretary BIA, and I would also like to highlight the presence of USP, United States Pharmacopoeia, in this hall. And of course, Zubair Motiwala Saab, CE TDAB. Thank you, sir.